Money on top of money. My turn a little in a couple mil.
Yes, my viewer, subscriber, it's your boy Stola. Today we talk about the MVP and what's the MVP all stand for. We're also gonna talk about JAHMIEL Money Money. So stick around to know the full definition of the MVP meds.
Money, money, yeah. Up your money, I done the money. When I spend funny money.
Viewer, subscriber, me love a talk with JAHMIEL make because you see 2020 a come dog, it's all about the papers. If you did make a grand a week, you need to start make 3 grand. At least you know you double that dog. All about the papers, meds.
Jordan, money on top of money. My turn a little in a couple mil. I need to make some dirty money. Wash it down, make it clean. Life sweet, must be honey. Investing in some properties.
Viewer, subscriber, when you have a man like JAHMIEL, the patriot, I tell your dog, fi up your money. A man a make you know say your dog don't care what kind of money you make, whether funny or dirty money, wash it and make it clean. Me not talk about no money where you go lick down a man and take a man things, you know, cause you see if a man turn you in a dopey dog, I feel your business. You talk about put your money in a something where you know you good at, where you know you can turn over X amount of revenue. And that are the wickedest talk a man a go give you for 2019. Come 2020, meds.
Now money on top of money. Dollar bill. Couple grand to $1 million to $1 billion. Interest for your grow up on my cheese. Then me turn the billion a trillion. We talk things like this.
Viewer, subscriber, you know you have a man like Mavado where always I tell ghetto youth to make money. You see me? So when the patriot come tell us if you make money, dog, that are for real. And that me love with the MVP, dog. You see me? And that's why me call them the dancehall musketeers. Cause them man yeah, are just one for all and all for one, dog. A man them a deal with the things wicked and me don't see no body out there right now. Nobody will push a team like how the MVP a push a team. Cause me not go see a one man a do it. I cheer them a deal with it. And that me love with it, dog. Meds.
Top up me account like phone credit. If I not talk money, me no answer. I'ma like spend my own money. Dog with no big sponsor. No money on top of money.
Viewer, subscriber, like JAHMIEL said, I want you done normal. So we are talking about the MVP, we are talking about money. You see me? And I remember in the Gideon dog when Mavado, I used to pray. And Mavado tell ghetto youth, say, yo, make no money, dog. Make sure you no wall up on no head ghetto youth. You see me? So when the patriot right now come and tell me for up my money, dog, I them the thing that you depend. You see me? Cause we love to spend for our own money over here, so we not big boy sponsor meds.
No wonder, no ponder. Invest it, no squander. I will not make certain decisions because of anger. We lose fake friend because enough of them a wanga. Invest, interest, money getting longer. As we make it, them a flip it. Turn the digit in a digit.
Viewer, subscriber, enough boy you have out there with crutches. You got enough boy out there where even worse than some girl, dog. Cause some boy out there see you spend money and come each hand pan your dog. And at them the thing that JAHMIEL tell you, see me, we don't deal with the fake friend round here, so we don't in at them the thing the dog, we burn them thing there. See? So me love them talking here where the patriot are give me. And here me now we talk about the patriot and we are talk about Mavado. We are going to talk about Alkaline next. Meds.
Get the profit and me split it. Yo mate, my money British. Money on top of money. My turn a little in a couple mil. And if I make some dirty money, what you do? Wash it down, make it clean.
Yo, JAHMIEL, me love a talk the yo mate. But you see true we are ghetto boy, we say yo bruv. Alkaline we are talk about. Right now, viewer subscribers, me say the MVP teach me things. See, Alkaline is a man who teach me say yo, don't care what happen dog, don't make a boy bully you. You see me? And that me love with Alkaline, cause Alkaline a come from down at the bottom. Everybody try to disrespect Alkaline. And Alkaline a make a boy know say yo, don't care what una do dog, me bigger uno every day. And I one of the thing when me love with Alkaline. Meds.
Dollar bill.
You a subscriber. Let's sum up the MVP. Mavado. Mavado always teach you to hold your head up and give Father God thanks for what you achieve in a life. Viewer subscriber. Now V. Alkaline Vendetta. Alkaline teach you to make you know say yo don't care how a boy feel say them wicked and bad. Make them know say them can't bully you. Make them know say you can come from the bottom and be one of the wickedest thing in a God earth here. P. Patriot. JAHMIEL. Viewer subscriber. JAHMIEL teach you about love. JAHMIEL teach you about care. JAHMIEL teach you to hold your head up. So when you look on everything with JAHMIEL, look on everything with Alkaline, go straight to Mavado, it'll come from under one umbrella. And that when me love with the MVP. One bloodline dog. And that's why me call them the dancehall musketeers. All for one and one for all. Because them all have the same thing. Right down the line, dog. We out. Your boy.